being asked here to identify the graphs, but we're given some options, which is very nice. Now, this is your tan graph, this first one. And if you don't recognize it, it's sort of a process of elimination. I suppose I'm gonna go through these. X is like a straight line. X squared is like it's called a parabola. Reciprocal graph looks a bit like this. Sin x is like this. And cos x just starts at 1 and then comes down. It's very similar to sine. Tan x is like the one shown. Sorry, let me try that again. And then it repeats. 3 to the x is an exponential. Looks like that. This is actually 3 to the minus x. It's another exponential, but it's exponential decay. So those are ones to try and get your heads around and learn. So I've done tan x, and then I've done this one as well. So this one's going to be y is equal to 3 to the x. Moving on, we're given a sketch of y equals x cubed, and then we're essentially being asked to perform transformations on them. And if you have minus x cubed, this is actually a reflection in the x-axis. You might even know what minus x cubed looks like. It's like this. Okay, it's worth just knowing that regardless, even if you hadn't been given x cubed to start with. Try and learn these two. And then x cubed minus 8, this is actually a translation by minus 8 in the y direction. And so everything just moves down. All my points, whatever the x value was, all my points move down by minus 8. So it's going to look a bit like this. Now it says show any the values of any intercepts of the axes. Okay, so I've got a bit to do because this is going to be minus 8. But then I need to also find out what this is. And so it's going to be when x cubed minus 8 is equal to 0, when y is equal to 0, which means x cubed is equal to 8. And so I take the cube root of 8, and that's going to give me 2 as my answer.